If you've wondered how to embed Acuity into a Squarespace website, then this is going to be the video for you. So Acuity, I don't know when it was, but they were acquired by Squarespace. They are a scheduling platform that allows people to book appointments into a calendar. And it's weirdly, when I work with clients, it's something that trips them up quite a lot because you can sign up to Acuity separate from Squarespace and vice versa. But within Squarespace, you can actually just easily embed Acuity. And I'm going to show you how to do that specifically in this video. So we're on the site here and we want to add Acuity into the hero section on the home page. So what we need to do is find the page that we want, which is just the home page, click on edit, and then click on add block. Within here, you'll see under business, we've got scheduling, which is going to pull in, once we double click, our Acuity account. Now, this works when you have Acuity set up on your Squarespace website. I'll show you where that is in a moment. But that's going to pull that in. It's going to show the appointment types up top and then the times available underneath. You can, if you want, you can pull in an external calendar by clicking under displayed appointment type and going to custom link. And then you can just paste the custom scheduling page link in there, which essentially means whatever your Acuity link is, paste it in and it'll pull the calendar in, much like if you imagine Calendly, the embed there, or cal.com, their embed. But this is just a link instead. Now, if we go back, I'll show you where it lives. Just quickly, this video isn't about setting it up, but I'll give you a little bit of source. So under scheduling, this will take you into your Acuity dashboard within Squarespace. And you can see it's got Acuity scheduling here. So you can create your appointment types, set your availability, and customize the design. And this here is where you can copy the Acuity link to your clipboard if you wish. So you can set it all up here. Once it's done, this is what gets pulled into this block. Now I'll make sure it's set just so you can see it in action. If we double click, pull in all public appointment types, and it should populate it for us there. Obviously you can have a resize if you wish, but we'll keep it to around there, which I think is probably the best looking. So exit, and you can see it's pulled in. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website or set up your Acuity scheduling calendar, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.